Good day, everyone. So, like I said to you guys, I'll be doing the trade outlook for just four pairs, right? So, these four pairs are the pairs we're going to be looking at for this week, right? So, the first pair is EURGBP, second pair is AUDCAD, third pair is AUDJPY, and then the fourth pair is EURUSD. So these are the four pairs we're going to be looking at. And then we're going to be having one extra pair, which is gold, right? So let me just simply start off and start giving you guys the explanation for the pairs that we're looking at for this week. So on EURGBP, we're looking at price to last week. I called it out that when price breaks below this support level, we'll literally turn the support to resistance to head to the next support level, right? And you can see that clearly. Price finally broke through that support level, right? And so we're now waiting for that move back to tap in on this significant number, which is at 8700, right? That's a significant number right there, a clean number right there that price will trade off from. So when price gets to this significant number right here, we'll dive down to our lower time frame and then we'll look for a bearish confirmation to push our way back to 86500, which is another significant number, right? So this is a clean trade, a lot of liquidity around this zone, around here, and a lot of imbalance too to fill. So that's a clean trade on EURGBP. So the next pair we're going to be looking at is odd card, right? Odd card. So on odd card, what we are looking at is for price to give us a bearish confirmation that will push its way down to this significant number right here, which is at 8900, right? Around this zone. So when price gets to this zone, we'll look for a bullish confirmation and then we'll take our trade back to 0.900, right? 0.90,000, right? So that's what we're looking at. So we're looking at price to give us the move to the downside. We'll look at taking our trade from this support level here, and then we'll look for a bullish confirmation in the lower time frame that will push our way back to the upside, back to 0.9000, right? 90,000, sorry. So that's what we're looking at, pushing our way down to this point here, waiting for a bullish confirmation on lower time frame, and then we'll push our way back to the upside. So that's it for odd card. As simple as this is the daily time frame, right? So that's it. You can also go and plot your own levels too. So that's it. So the next pair we're looking at is odd JPY, right? So let's go to odd JPY. So on odd JPY, last week we had a trade that we took. We took that trade off from this resistance level. So there was a resistance level around here. You can see that this is a resistance level. Right now, when price got to this zone here, we had a bullish confirmation and we took the trade. Right, that was the first trade that gave us that trade gave us a 1 to 3, yeah, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, right, percent, 4% growth on our account last week, right, off from this resistance level, and then it even went above 1 to 9, right, but we took our profits around this zone, right. So right now we're still bullish because this is a bullish move, higher high, higher low, right. So we're looking at making more higher highs, right. So price has probably created a liquidity around this zone. So what we're looking at for AUDJPY is the price is going to retrace back to this significant number here, which is at 97500, right. So when price gets to this level, we'll wait for a bullish confirmation to push our way back to 9900, right, 9900, 9,900, right? Yeah. So that is another round figure right there, 9,900. So I believe that is where price wants to get to. So when price comes down to this zone here, we'll look for a bullish confirmation, and then we'll take our trade to that level right there. So that is for AUDJPY. The next pair we're going to be looking at is EURUSD. And so the last trade we're going to be looking at is EURUSD. EURUSD, right? And so this is what we're looking at on EURUSD, right? Everything looks bullish, and what we're looking at is that price is going to make its way back to Fibonacci level, the 50 to 7186 region. So this is how we're looking at it, right? So this move from here to here, we're going to be measuring our Fibonacci 2. So let's take out the Fibonacci 2, right? So we'll measure it from the last point to the top point there. So let me switch the Fibonacci level to percentage, right? So you can see that you can see the 50% region, which is here, and you can see the 78.6 region, which is here, right? So you see how I marked it out. I zoned it out with this blue zone here, right? So I could know. So now let me delete that. So now what we're waiting for is that price. Right now price is at this level, right? So we're looking at price to retrace back to the 50% region, which has a round number of 1 point. You can see the right number there, right? You can see it right there, 1.08 thousand. 1.08 thousand. So that's the number we're looking at. So we're waiting for price to retrace back to this level right here to 1.08 thousand, right? And when price gets to this level, we'll wait for a bullish confirmation, and then we'll make our way back to those highs there, right? To make our way back to those highs there, because there's a lot of liquidity around here, equal high liquidity, and then we'll make our way back to 1.12 thousand. 1.12 thousand. So that is another significant number. And so we're waiting for price to retrace here, and then we'll make our way here. So before we even get to that level, we'll have taken good profits of 1 to 4, 1 to 5 risk reward, right? So that's it, guys. And last trade, gold. So the last we're looking at is gold, right? I wonder. So on gold, what we're looking at, right, you can see price gave us a reaction of this from this order block area right here, right? So at this zone here, we mitigated off that order block and we took profit, right? Now price has come back to that same level, but we've broken past that we've broken past that resistance level, right? And so we're looking at price to come back here, give us a support at the price of 2,000, which is a round figure and a significant number. Give us a reaction from there. So we'll go down to the lower time frame to look for a bullish confirmation, and we'll push our way back to this level at 2,050. So that's that, guys. Thanks for watching, and keep being the best trader that you are. Bye for now.